that is the big news that is coming on. The fact remains that Dada will not be, or Saurav Ganguly, the BCCI president, will not be requiring any kind of bypass surgery. That is confirmed by one of the doctors, and he was in fact a member of the team of doctors that had done the stent operation on Saurav Ganguly on Saturday. I would like to believe that he would be here for another maybe 2 nights. Today he's not being released. That's one of the important development coming from Woodland Hospital. Saurav Ganguly, the BCCI president, will not be released from the hospital tonight. He can. The further assessment will be done tomorrow. As we speak, Anurag Thakur, the former BCCI president and now Minister of Finance, MOS, has just reached the hospital. He will come out any moment. The team of doctors who will come out with a medical bulletin anytime now will be holding a press conference. They will exactly tell what is the situation. His pulse rate and heart rate is normal. Everything seems to be normal, and there doesn't seem to be any deterioration of his health. So a good news indeed that he is fine, and further surgery might not be needed. Bypass surgery is not happening, that is for sure. So we can say that Saurav Ganguly's health condition has improved, but it has not improved to the extent that he will be released today. Further monitoring and further observation, he is under some of the doctors who will come out and tell us exactly what is the position. But as of now, we can confirm the viewers that indeed BCCI President Saurav Ganguly is well at this hospital, and he will be kept for at least 1 or 2 nights more. Back to you.
Well, that is clearly the prayers and the well wishes of all the fans seems to be working for Dada, because now we are expecting that the latest medical bulletin will also be out, and the further treatment plan that was decided along with the family members of Saurav Ganguly, that has been decided for now, that very soon Saurav Ganguly may be discharged from the hospital. Thanks very much, Shumon. Keep tracking